Here's an interesting app called Bridgefy offline messages. So how to use it? So the idea of this app is that you can message offline without internet just by using Bluetooth. So if there are people around you who are using also Bridgefy app and have their Bluetooth enabled in the radius of 100 meters, then you can just use this app and send messages to those people. And then you can just do it in the public chat and use Bridgefy during natural disaster at school, during protests and while traveling. And then you just open it up and here's the app. And then you just have, that's how you create an account using your Apple ID or Google. Just create your account and then you have your public chat. You will see all the people around you in this public chat. So something like that, and then you just have your profile. You can upgrade for and then remove ads for $1 per month, so it's really cheap. And then there are settings, just a standard settings, very basic app, but you can use it in such use cases when there is no Wi-Fi, when there is some natural disaster or like some protest going on, whatever. There are some use cases where there is just no Wi-Fi, no cellular network, and you just want to be able to message people around you. So this can be the app to do that. It's not that big app. It's very small. It just has a few ratings, but still it's available. So, if you wanted to know what is that, so there you have it.